Pretty late video tonight, but this is something that is quite interesting and it's really cool. It's something that is powered by Hugging Face transformers, and this is where I would like to introduce MusicGen Web. It's an AI powered music generation which is directly in your browser. Now on this channel, I try to cover almost every sort of category in the AI space, and this one is truly one that actually stuck out to me. Just take a listen to what you can actually do with this. So here is a prompt that is being given to MusicGen Web, which is to create heavy rock metal. And just take a listen to this. It's really, really good. Sorry for being repetitive, but this month we had insane partnerships with big companies giving out subscriptions to AI tools completely for free. These are tools that will streamline your business's growth and improve your efficiency. Just being a patron this past month, you were given access to 6 paid subscriptions completely for free. Not only do you access these subscriptions, but you gain the ability for consulting, networking, collaborating with the community, as well as with myself. You get access to daily AI news, resources, giveaways, and so much more. If you're interested, check out the Patreon link in the description below to gain access to these benefits. Now that was totally amazing. We were able to see how this new impressive text and music model is capable of generating high quality music samples which are conditioned on text descriptions or even audio prompts. Now it's impressive that MusicGen Web runs entirely locally, which will mean that there's going to be no expenditure costs involved. And as a transformer.js, it is utilizing the JavaScript library which is crafted to mirror the functionalities of Hugging Face's transformer Python library. This means that you can utilize the same pre-trained models using a similar API but in a JavaScript environment. Now, unlike other methods such as MusicLM, it doesn't need a self-supervised semantic representation. Instead, it generates all the necessary components in one go using a single stage auto-regressive transformer model. This is something that has been trained on a 32K Hz EnCodec tokenizer with 4 codebooks, and they're all sampled at 50 Hz. Now, by introducing a slight delay between these codebooks, it has been able to predict them quite simultaneously, which is going to result into I believe regressive steps, and this is per the second of each audio, which is why you're going to see the amazing output based off of text prompts. Now throughout today's video, we're just going to simply take a look at MusicGen Web, as this is definitely an amazing tool, how you can get started, and just showcase the capabilities of this tool. So with that thought guys, stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. If you would like to book a one-on-one with me where you can access my consulting services, where I can help you grow your business or basically give you a lot of different types of solutions with AI, definitely take a look at the calendar link in the description below. Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video at the World of AI. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at MusicGen Web, which is this new text to music model. Now, at the current moment, there's 4 checkpoints that have been released. You have the small, which is this checkpoint at the current moment, which I'll be leaving a link to in the description below. You have medium, large, and melody. Now, there's a lot of other examples as to how you can get started. You have the Hugging Face collab, which you can get started with right now. You can take a look at the Hugging Face demo, which is in HF Spaces, which is over here. And I'll leave this link in the description below. And you can also access it through installing the transformer usage, where you can do this locally and have it fully hosted. And there's also integrations with AutoCraft, which is really cool to see. And they go through different metrics, different like evaluations, and showcase how you can get started. And they also emphasize on the limitations. So if you're interested in this, definitely recommend that you read through this first before you get started with it. But now we're going to be taking a look at the examples as to what you can do with MusicGen. So we can see here that this is one of the examples of MusicGen Web, where it is prompting to generate 80s pop track with a bassy drums and a synth. So I'm going to click on generate music. It's going to take a couple of seconds until it generates. So once it's done, I'll be right back. And there we go. We have our generation, and you're going to be able to listen to it. Let me just turn this thing down because it's going to be pretty loud, but let's take a listen. Now that was just amazing. I was just bopping my head to it. You can see that there's other cool examples such as 90 rock with loud guitars and heavy drums. You also have this cool long prompt being inputted with MusicGen, and it's going to be able to generate it. So if you click on this, you can see that, oh, I have this selected, but at the current moment, you just simply take a look at these examples. You just set your duration. You can also change the guidance scale as well as the temperature. So you're going to be able to test out these different like prompts that are already ready made, and you can have it generated within a couple of seconds. But say if you want to generate your own, you can simply just type this in. You can add a duration. You can lead it all the way up to 30 seconds, and you're going to be able to have this generation within a couple of seconds. And that's the capability of MusicGen Web. This is something that is an in-browser text and music model, which is developed by the Hugging Face Transformers.js library in collaboration with the JavaScript library, which is crafted to mirror the functionalities of this original Hugging Face library. Now, I wanted to see how good MusicGen Web is, so I basically asked this thing to create a lo-fi beat that's super calm. So let's see how it sounds. So I guess the starting might have been nice, but we can see that it's a little muffled. Obviously, the generation is not the best at the current moment, but it's a great work in progress. And truly, I see this as something that will be developed as time goes. We knew that MusicGen was already a tool, but this is something that you can access on the web now based off of the transformers that Hugging Face is using, they're using based off Hugging Face libraries as well as JavaScript libraries. So we can see that this is a great step forward at least, and we're getting to a point where we're going to see text and music models that are going to be super refined possibly by the end of this year. So it's a great step forward in my opinion. Now, this particular model has been developed by Zenova, which has been working on different music models. So definitely recommend that you give them a follow. They're continuously uploading different models as time goes, but I definitely recommend that you try this out because this is something that is really useful for a lot of people, especially in the audio AI field. This is something that will be able to generate small snippets at the current moment at high quality data. So this is something that you should definitely take a look at with the links in the description below. I'll leave all the links that I use in today's video below, and I truly recommend that you take a look at the Patreon page because this is a great way for you to access different subscriptions completely for free. So definitely take a look at this. Follow us on Twitter. So this is a great way for you to stay up to date with the latest AI news. And lastly, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and check out our previous videos so you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.